Namaskaram all. I am Or Deepika. Now I am pursuing my first year BCom. At first I am very confused about doing a project. With the great help and guidance of our speakers and mentors, we have completed our project successfully.
Hello all, my name is K. Lango. I am from ELDP Bootcamp Group 15. I was so glad to participate in this Entrepreneurship and Leadership Development Program, and here is our pitch video. Ludo Kids Learning, to make learning fun, play and explore. Problem statement. Nowadays, students have been forgetting fundamental concepts, formulas, etc. due to school lockdown. They are not taking books back home. Online classes has made it difficult for students to focus on their studies. And our solution is Ludo Kids Learning. Ludo Kids Learning is an app for gaming and learning where kids can gain knowledge and also have fun doing it. Vision and value proposition. Vision: to encourage children to engage in learning concepts and in general knowledge. As an educational learning mobile app, our vision is to make learning fun. Value proposition: providing 1st to 5th grade fun learning games in a single app. Board games will be available for learning, and also you provide report to the teachers or parents so that they can easily identify their progress of their children. Idea validation: we validated our project through online survey for our target audience teachers to approach our idea to them. Through the survey, we got a positive results as we expected from the teachers. Gaming features: there will be more games available in our app for our kids to learn. Grades up to 1st to 5th standard will be available in our app. Users can select their respective grades and create their profile and can play their respective games to learn. All languages will be available for our users like Tamil, English, Hindi, Malayalam, etc. Users can able to compete with unknown players, friends and families. Users can also play as a team. We have more customizable options like watch ads to get another chance to roll the dice in Snake and Ladders, and hints will be available for answering the questions. There will be more games available in our app for our kids to learn and also have fun doing it. The games are like Words Hunt, picture games and puzzles, and also have subject oriented games for our kids, and also have board games. If they roll the dice and get 3, on the third box a question will be appears for them. If they answer the questions correctly, they will get rewards, or if they answer the questions wrongly, they don't lose any points. GTM and marketing strategy. Marketing through social media platforms, advertisement and conducting surveys or polls. Will approach school teachers to suggest our app for their children or parents. Advertising through television local channels. Will tie up with some YouTubers to promote our product twice in a week, thrice in a week, like etc. Will tie up with some apps to advertise our product. Competitive analysis. An app for both gaming and learning. There were few competitors in the market. Competitors have separate apps for every grades and there were no board games in their apps. Taking this as an advantage, Ludo Kids Learning will have grades up to 1 to 5 and there will be board games available for fun learning. TAM analysis. Our target audience were the age group of students between 6 to 10 years. According to 2011 census data, there were 130 million students in the age group of 6 to 10 years. In Tamil Nadu, there were 5.7 million students. If our app gets 100k download users, in average among this 10 to 30% of users will use our app on daily basis. If we show ads in our app for the half of the users, we will get 5,000 to 29,000 per day. For a year, we will get 20 lakhs 30,000 to 1 crore 9 lakhs per year through ads showing in our app and through subscriptions. Pricing and funding. Providing our app as free download in Play Store, App Store, etc. Capital expenses and salaries for our programmers and designers require 20 lakhs. Marketing and promotion requires 3 lakhs. Total estimate of 23 lakhs required. The business model canvas, key partners, subject teachers, value propositions, single app for grades from 1 to 5, channels, social media, app store, Google Play Store, etc. Cost structure, salaries and administrative expenses, total estimate of 23 lakhs. Revenue streams, revenue through ads, in-app purchases and subscriptions. Product roadmap. In first phase, 0 to 8 months, app development and launching in Tamil Nadu, and app will provide 10 to 15 learning games for each grade. From 9 to 12 months, collecting feedback on working and features of app. By the 13th month, expansion of app in other states of India, and app will provide few more games for children. In second phase, after 1 year of launching, app may introduce AR or VR games for our children. It may help in make progress in their learning. Ludo Kids Learning Team Ilango, Deepika and Harish Kumar. Mentor David Moreno sir.